Imagine you're at a party, and you want to know how far you can wander from the snack table without missing out on the delicious treats. The absolute value inequality is like the rule that says you can't be more than 5 feet away from the snack table. In mathematical terms, this is written as: here's how you solve it. Understand the absolute value. The absolute value of a number is its distance from 0 on the number line, regardless of direction. So absolute value of x less or equal to 5 means that x can be any number that is 5 or less units away from 0. Break it down. The inequality can be broken down into two separate inequalities. Solve each inequality. This is straightforward. X can be any number from negative infinity up to 5. You can rewrite it as x is greater or equal to minus 5. X can be any number from minus 5 up to positive infinity. Combine the results. The solution to the original inequality absolute value of x is less or equal to 5 is the intersection of the two solutions. So, the solution is in other words, you can wander anywhere between minus 5 feet and 5 feet from the snack table and still be within the safe zone for snacks. Just don't wander too far, or you might miss out on the good stuff. And there you have it, a fun way to solve an absolute value inequality.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.